If ants disappeared tomorrow, humanity would not panic immediately. But nature would. Because ants are everywhere. Literally everywhere. And most people never realize what they actually do. Ants are not just insects. They are ecosystem engineers. Remove them, and the ground itself begins changing. Day 1. Nothing feels wrong. Cities move normally. Forests look alive. But beneath the surface, a massive system has stopped working. Because ants constantly move soil, breaking it apart.
Mixing nutrients, creating airflow underground. Remove them, and the soil slowly hardens. But that is only the beginning. Because ants clean the planet constantly. Dead insects, dead animals, organic waste. Ants help remove it all. Without them, decay slows dramatically. And now, waste begins building everywhere. Forest floors become covered with rotting material.
And that attracts something dangerous. More bacteria, more fungus, more disease. And now, ecosystems begin shifting fast. Because ants also control insect populations. They hunt pests constantly. Remove ants, and pest populations explode. And now agriculture feels it immediately. Crop-destroying insects multiply rapidly. Farmers lose control. Pesticide use increases massively. But pesticides create another problem. Pollinators die faster. Soil weakens further. And now systems begin collapsing together. Because ants connect ecosystems in invisible ways. And now, those connections are breaking.
Month 1. Forest health begins declining noticeably. Seeds stop spreading properly because many plants rely on ants for distribution. And now, plant populations shift. Some disappear entirely from regions, which affects herbivores, which affects predators. And now food chains destabilize again. But this time, the collapse is visible. Rotting ground, exploding insect populations, weakening forests. And now humanity notices something terrifying. Nature feels wrong. Forests become quieter, less movement, less balance. And then another problem begins. Termites, cockroaches, aggressive pest species increase rapidly because ants kept them under control. Now nothing does. And now disease spreads easier. Waste remains longer. Pathogens survive longer. And urban environments feel it too. More infestations, more contamination, more instability.
And now we enter year 1. Agriculture becomes harder globally. Pest outbreaks increase everywhere. Crop losses rise sharply. Food prices increase again. And ecosystems continue weakening. Because ants affect almost everything beneath the surface. And this is the terrifying part. There are over 20 quadrillion ants on Earth. That is not a typo. 20 quadrillion. Nature does not create numbers like that accidentally. Ants exist at that scale because ecosystems need them. And now, the chaos phase begins. Dead material accumulates faster. Disease pressure rises. Insect balance collapses. And forests weaken globally. Some regions begin dying slowly. And now, climate effects worsen too. Because healthy ecosystems regulate environments.
Remove balance, and instability spreads everywhere. And now, humanity feels constant pressure. More food instability, more disease risk, more environmental collapse. And all of it traces back to ants. Tiny creatures people ignore daily. Tiny creatures holding massive systems together. And now, we reach the final outcome. Humanity survives. But Earth becomes dirtier, less stable, less efficient, less alive.
Because ants are part of nature's maintenance system. And without maintenance, everything slowly breaks. And this is the lesson humanity keeps missing. The smallest species often support the biggest systems. Bees feed us. Earthworms protect soil. Plankton help us breathe. Ants maintain ecosystems. Remove enough small things, and humanity falls with them. Because survival is not built on dominance. It is built on balance. And balance is far more fragile than people think.